This trail is part of the Foothills Nature Preserve near Palo Alto. We were accompanied by one of the youngest members to have done this trip with in a while. We did not complete the loop, but just had a leisurely stroll around to check out the breathtaking scenic spots. This is a very quiet area with a lot of shaded open spaces to picnic. The vast amount of oak trees were what actually provided the shade. The drive up was not very straightforward, with the directions not hitting the intended destination easily. There was a small car entrance fee that was well worth the visit. We met up at the parking lot at around noon, and we did not waste any time before we started the trail, even though there were a lot of people hanging out there with the barbecue stands in a festive mood. A few yards out along the paved road by the parking, we saw the trailhead to Chamise Trail. There were ample signs indicating what we should do in the event of a mountain lion attack along the way, as this was a mountain lion habitat. This didn't deter us, and we took off with a straight climb initially. The proud parents of the youngest member of our group made sure to bring along the ergonomic um, back carry to back carry the little one when he tires out. This would give us a little bit of the extra mileage to extend our trip further. After our initial ascent up, we split up into two groups with Gigi, me, and Rafi, heading to explore which is the shortest way to the most scenic spot of this trail, leaving behind the little member for them to take some rest and catch up on their breath before they come back to this scenic spot. It didn't take us much long before we climbed up to the vantage point from where we could see the bay with the ocean in front of us. The area was well maintained and it facilitated people to come up easily and enjoy the breathtaking scenery in front. Once we figured out where the scenic spot was, we fetched Alex and company to come enjoy the highlight of this trail. We then took pictures and then I scoured the area from above with my drone. While we took some pictures and some drone shots, Gigi did a bit of exploration of her own by walking out the trail in front of us. Rafi tried to emulate her, but found himself come back to us soon. On our way back, it was interesting to see some of the firemen perform their regular drill for their new crew members, and it was fun to watch them.